Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take off Porsche Cayenne headlights. This process is straightforward, but requires a specific tool usually found with your vehicle's spare tire or in the trunk. First, locate this special tool. Then, identify the small access hole on the fender near each headlight. This is where you will insert the tool to begin the removal process. Now, let's unlock the headlight. Carefully insert the special tool into the access hole until it engages with the locking mechanism. Once seated, turn the tool approximately 45 to 90 degrees counterclockwise. You will feel a distinct click or release, and the headlight unit will visibly shift forward by about 1 inch. This indicates it is disengaged from its locked position. With the headlight unlocked, gently pull the entire unit straight forward from its mounting points. It should slide out smoothly. Once it's pulled out a few inches, you will see the electrical connector at the rear. Press the release clip and carefully disconnect the wiring harness. These clips can be delicate, so handle them with care. Now, you can fully remove the headlight assembly. To reinstall, first reconnect the electrical plug to the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks securely. Then, carefully slide the headlight unit back into its housing, aligning it with the mounting rails. Once it's fully seated, insert the special tool and turn it clockwise until you feel it lock firmly into position. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all headlight functions, including high beams and turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.